Today I'm taking a look at the VEVOR Laminator. So it does come with some Laminator sheets, which is excellent, and it comes with instructions. So this is a nice large machine. It's fairly reassuring. We got our power switch here on the back, and we also have a reverse switch on the back. So this is a momentary switch, so if you want to back it out and do it again, you can do that with this. On the top, you can select the thickness of the lamination, and we also have the option for doing a cold lamination. So if you want to laminate something like a document that's 100 years old and you don't want to actually put heat on it, you want to keep it in as good a condition as you can, and you still have the capacity of doing that with a cold lamination. So this is good for up to A3 size paper. So it's about 11.5 by 16.5, so very large paper. So go ahead and turn this on. So right now we got the cold setting. Green means it's ready to go. The lamination material it comes with is 3mm, which is plenty thick for most applications. So we're going to select 3mm. And when this goes solid green, that will be ready. So each of these sheets is actually 2 sheets. So you can kind of peel it apart like that. And then it sticks together on one side. So that didn't take long, so we are already green, so this is ready to laminate. So if I wanted to laminate these instructions, all I would do is take this, and I would want to get it as centered as I can get it. So right about there looks pretty good. Avoid trying to put anything else inside there. Then I'm going to put the folded edge in first and just let it feed itself in. And there we go. That is a perfectly laminated document. No bubbles, very clear on both sides. So yeah, that is a very nice laminator.